A pleasant and blessed day to all of you, my dear viewers. Welcome to Ma'am Jack's Math Tutorials. Before we proceed with our lesson for today, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for you to be updated with the latest video lessons. For today's lesson is Divisibility Rules for 3, 6, and 9. Now let's go with the rule. First, we have number 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 3. So how is this one? For example, we have 630. So let's get the sum of the digits of 630. So let's write 6 plus 3 plus 0. Now, what is the sum of the digits? 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 9 plus 0 is still 9. Now, look at the sum. 9. Is 9 can be divided by 3 without remainder? Yes. Because 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Okay? Therefore, this 630 is divisible by 3. Okay? Let's have another example. We have 363. So what are we going to do? Let's add the digits. Okay? So we have 3 plus 6 plus 3. Alright. So 3 plus 6 is equal to what? 9. Very good. 9 plus 3 is 12. Okay. Now, can we divide 12 by 3 without remainder in the quotient? Yes, because 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So there is no remainder in the quotient. Therefore, this number, 363, is divisible by 3. Okay? How about this one? 260. Okay. Is 260 divisible by 3? Let's go with the rule. We have 2 plus 6 plus 0. So what's the answer? 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. Still 8. Okay. Now, is 8 divisible by 3? Or can we divide 8 by 3 without remainder in the quotient? No, we cannot divide 8 by 3 without remainder in the quotient. So therefore, this number 260 is not divisible by 3. Okay? The next rule is for number 6. A number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by both numbers 2 and 3. So we have here example 4,110. So you're going to identify if this 4,110 is divisible by 6 by following the rule. So it says there should be both divisible by 2 and 3. So we need to have a checklist. So let's have 2 here, checklist or a table, and 3. Now, first one, let's identify if this number is divisible by 2. If you still remember our rule for number 2, if a number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, therefore it is divisible by 2. Now, 4,110 ends with 0. So, is it divisible by 2? Yes. So, let's check here under number 2. How about by 3? What is our rule for number 3? Let's add the digits. Then, if the sum is divisible by 3, therefore, the number is divisible by 3, right? So, let's add. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 0 is still 6. Now, can we divide 6 by 3 without remainder in the quotient? Yes, because 6 divided by 3, it will give us 2. Okay? So, therefore, 4,110 is also divisible by 3. Now, can we now decide if this number is divisible by 6? Yes. Since it is divisible by both numbers 2 and 3, therefore, this number, 4,110, is divisible by 6. Let's have another example. We have 144. First, identify if it is divisible by 2. Since 144 ends with number 4, therefore, it is divisible by 2. How about number 3? So, let's add the digits. We have 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. And 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Can we divide 9 by 3 without remainder again in the quotient? Yes, because 9 divided by 3 will give us 3. So, therefore, it is checked also under number 3. So, since this number, 144, is divisible by both numbers 2 and 3, therefore, 144 is also divisible by number 6. Okay? How about this last number? We have 80. Okay, 80. Identify if it is divisible by 2. Yes, it is divisible by 2 because it ends with 0. So let's check under number 2. How about by 3? Let's add the digits. We have 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. Okay. Can we divide 8 by 3 without remainder? No. If we divide 8 by 3, it will give us a quotient with remainder. So therefore, it's not divisible by 3. Did we meet our rule here? No. So it is only divisible by 2 and not by 3. So therefore, this number 80, is not divisible. Not divisible by 6. And the last rule is for number 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 9. So, it's like the rule for number 3. We're just going to add the digits. Okay? So, we have here 315. So, let's add the digits. We have 3 plus 1 plus 5. Alright, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Okay. 9 divided by 9 is equal to 1. So, there is no remainder. That's why it is divisible by 9. Therefore, if the sum is divisible by 9, therefore, the number is divisible by 9 also. Okay? Another one. We have 4,176. So, let's add the digits. We have 4 plus 1 plus 7 plus 6. So, I'm gonna fix my 7. Okay, let's add. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. And 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. Now, is 18 divisible by 9? Yes, because 18 divided by 9 will give us 2. So therefore, this number, 4,176, is divisible by 9. Okay. How about this one, last number? We have 726. So let's add 7 plus 2 plus 6. So 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. Now, is 15 divisible by 9? No. So therefore, this number 726 is not divisible by 9. Okay? So I hope you learned something from today's lesson, and thank you for watching.